Channel6.ca, supported by... Are you looking for a new career that pays well and takes care of you? Then join us at Pitt Ernie's. We are driven to excel. Are you?
We all understand the journey and how painful it can be without support, and that's what drives us to do what we do.
The Eating Disorder Support Network of Alberta, based out of Edmonton, will now expand its reach and offer its services to Red Deer.
So to everyone in Red Deer who is affected by an eating disorder, EDSNA wants you to know, you are not alone.
The Eating Disorder Support Network all started from a concerned mother. Meet Moira McAllister.
Oh, this is just absolutely amazing. The speeches today focus so much on absolutely why we do this. There are so many people who are dealing with this disorder alone and lonely and feeling like there's no answers. Hearing stories of people who have succeeded and recovered from eating disorders, it just makes it all worthwhile.
Like many in the community, I had to leave both the city and the province to seek treatment. To seek the treatment that has enabled me to today lead a successful life.
Eating disorders are complex illnesses that affect both males and females of all ages and all races. They are not a choice. They are not due to bad parenting. And because they have the highest mortality rate of any mental illness, eating disorders are not something to be ignored.
Eating disorders affect between 1 to 5% of the total population.
That would mean approximately 1,000 to 5,000 Red Deerians could potentially be affected by eating disorders. And if there's been a lack of supports in the past, obviously having community support and personal support is essential in terms of helping individuals and their loved ones be able to find hope.
This was made possible thanks to additional funding from the province of Alberta.
The Alberta government is proud to support the Eating Disorder Support Network of Alberta with funding of over $300,000 to assist the network with its expansion here in Red Deer.
Red Deer College will be home to the new chapter.
We will collaborate with the Red Deer College Students Association and EDSNA to raise awareness about eating disorders and promote a healthy environment for teaching and learning on our campus.
There will be 2 support groups offered by the program. One will be support for people with eating disorders. The other will be support for parents, partners, and loved ones.
Eating disorders will very often tear a family apart, pitting the family members against each other. The groups for support people will be a tremendous asset and will help not just the person fighting the disease, but everyone in the family.
People with eating disorders understand each other. And if you don't have an eating disorder, it's like you don't get what they're taught. You don't understand. It took me a long time to figure that out, but I truly now know that I don't understand what my daughter went through. When they can connect with people who have eating disorders, it's very good for them.
The good news is that with treatment and support, recovery is possible.